Hey y'all, this rain is sent from God. It's going to keep everything all nice and green for longer. And the thunderstorms that are rolling in are making it windy. So it's nice. Anyway, I don't know if I showed this earlier. The tomato plant has been growing for like a month and a half and it ain't doing squat. I can't remember if I showed you this giant jalapeno. It's probably thunder. Let's see. Mammoth jalapeno. It's looking good. I haven't been out here for 2 days because of my gout, but I figured I better come out today and water it. And what do? I water it and then it rains. Silly. Anyway, this is going to be real short. I don't know when I'm going to upload it. Can y'all see the rain coming down over there in the field? These crops are going to love this. They're going to get another mowing out of the field again, make some more hay. Anyway, we'll cut this short. Bye, y'all.